I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Charge the device to at least 50% and enable location services so the app can tag images. Open the GPS Map Camera app and grant camera and location access. This is required for geotagging. Once done, set your preferred map overlay style and timestamp format and choose the coordinate system you need. These first steps align capture metadata with visual context, so every photo records where and when it was taken. Now you frame the scene and fine-tune capture settings. Lock focus and exposure, enable the grid and compass overlays to compose accurately, and confirm the on-screen map pin matches your subject. Make sure GPS accuracy reads within about 10 meters. If not, wait for a stronger signal or move to an open area. Choose burst or a short timer for steadier shots, then tap capture. This sequence ensures each image contains precise location data and a clear visual record. Finish by saving the photo with embedded metadata and add any on-screen notes for context. Once saved, export a KML or CSV for mapping needs or share the JPEG that already shows the GPS overlay. If the app fails to record location, try toggling location services, restart the app, or cycle airplane mode to refresh signals. If problems persist, restart the phone. This usually clears stale GPS locks and restores accurate geotagging, so you can continue capturing reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.